and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hot mess. Today I am testing out the Makeup Drop Silicone Makeup Applicator. Apparently this is the original. So if you want to hear my thoughts on this and watch me apply my makeup, then keep watching. Alright, so this video is starting off a little bit different because normally just my eyebrows are done. But today my eyebrows and my eyes are done because we're doing a video with this Makeup Drop Silicone Makeup Applicator. I got this in my FABFITFUN box, the editor's box. If you guys saw that unboxing, I said I was going to do a video on this and I didn't care how many videos there were using this. I just wanted to do my own video. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a raindrop. It feels weird. It feels really interesting. And I'm really curious how this is going to go. So basically all you have to do is just apply a small amount of makeup directly to the makeup drop. Using soft dabbing motions, blend onto skin. Don't use if it's punctured. Now, I don't know if this, like, the logo, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a logo right there. So do I use that side? I guess I would use, whoa! I guess I would use this side because this side feels better than this side feels really hard. So I'm just going to use like the front. I read somewhere that you can use this to apply your concealer, your foundation, your bronzer, your blush, your highlight, all of that. I'm just going to try my foundation and my concealer just because those are the only two like liquid products that I use. Everything else is pretty much powder. So I don't really know how I would apply this and this, so I'm just going to apply this to my face like I normally would. So I go in with the concealer side first, and this is the e.l.f. concealer and like highlighter duo in, I think this is in Fair. This is like an under eye concealer, but I use it for all over my face because I don't care. And I'm looking in the mirror behind you guys just because I like to use that mirror better when I'm concealing. And I'm just going to go on with the highlight side now. And I kind of just fill in any blanks. I like this because it really helps highlight the face. It's really for your under eyes, like I was just saying, but I don't care. Now I'm just going to go in with the sponge and use soft dabbing motions. So I guess like this. Okay, this is weird. I like that it has like this tip part because you can really get into like that inner corner. I just don't know how I feel about its blending ability. I'm gonna try this side. Alright, no. I'm like, I don't get how you hold this. I feel like I'm holding it wrong. I feel so like spazzy. I also feel like I'm just hitting myself in the face a million times. Like, this isn't nice feeling like my beauty sponges. Alright, for the chin, I flipped it over, so I'm using like this rounded part. I don't like it for the nose because I like my nose highlight to like, concealer area to be like a certain way, and I feel like it's just getting all over the place. What is going on? This thing is weird, but we're trying it. We are doing it. Like, I just don't know which side to use because I feel like either way it kind of looks the same. So I'll just be here flip-flopping sides. This is what the concealer looks like. Best to my blending ability. It looks horrible in the inner corner on my eyes, both sides. And I don't know, I just feel like it's not doing like a great job blending. My nose concealer is a hot mess, but I'm just going to take this BB wipe now and just wipe it off so I can use my foundation. And hopefully that'll be a little bit different because you're supposed to apply the product straight to the drop. So hopefully it's a little different this time. I don't know. So I'm really trying to use this CoverGirl Healthy Elixir up. I'm in the shade 725 Buff Beige. And I'm at that point where I'm using a brush to scrape it out. So let me just put the brush in there. And I just brushed some product on, and now I'm just going to dab some to my face. I kind of feel like it's just not doing anything. Like, if you use the pointy side, there's like indents. I don't think the camera will pick it up. But I'm gonna flip it. It's just like laying the product on top of my skin. And I really just don't like how it's doing that. I'm sorry, camera cut off. But as I was saying, here in the inner corner, it's just not blending the greatest, like, at all. And I really don't like how it's looking. Like, it just looks so cakey on my face. I don't know. So I'm just gonna speed up me doing the rest of my face, and I'll tell you like how I feel about it at the end, because I just feel like it's just gonna get boring and repetitive. So yeah. Alright, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. This thing is a hot mess. I actually had to wash it off because all the foundation on it was just skeeving me out. There were a lot of places that got really cakey around my forehead, like by my eyebrows did. My neck was a nightmare to blend out. This side especially kept like showing up on my neck. Near my eyes I really liked it because it did clean up my eyeshadow. That's just about it. Like, that's the only place I liked it. I really don't like this at all. It just makes it look way too cakey in my opinion. I actually did have to go in with a sponge and just pat some of the excess off because there was just way too much on my face. I really did not like it. Anyone who says that they like these, I don't know, I think you're lying because I really don't see how you can like this. Also, the little logo like rinsed right off. I don't know if it's because the water was too hot that I used or what, but I really just did not like this at all. I'm just gonna give this to my little sister to play with because right when she saw it and felt it, she liked the feeling of it. She likes like slime and stuff, so yeah. So I'm just gonna give this to her because I really didn't like it, and I think I'm just gonna stick to my Equal Tools sponge. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see me do next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!